Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got a pick and mix unboxing for you. So yes, today's video is an unboxing of this month's FeelUnique Pick and Mix. I'll tell you a little bit about the service first. So the FeelUnique Pick and Mix sample service basically offers you the chance to go to the FeelUnique website once a month and into the Pick and Mix section and choose yourself 5 sample products. And the 5 sample products can be many things. There's hair care, makeup, skincare, fragrances and perfumes, various things. There's a lot of things on there. Sometimes you get some bigger samples, sometimes they're smaller ones, but they're always by, good brands. And like I say, there's so much choice on there, so it's definitely worth having a look. Now the price for this service is just £3.95, which is the postage charge. And then FeelUnique will send you a voucher code in like an email just to give you the £3.95 back, which you can use off any purchase on the FeelUnique site. And the FeelUnique site is just as varied as the Pick and Mix service, so many things on there. So some months are better than others with the Pick and Mix service. Sometimes you get bigger samples, sometimes they're better, like bigger brands, but it's always worth a look. But you can only order once per month. So if you order on the 15th of this month, say, you can't order until the 15th of the following month. So anyway, hopefully you've got that. I will show you what I've got. So I haven't opened this up yet, but it comes in a box like this. Every month it's in a different box. Sometimes the bigger, chunkier boxes, sometimes it's in more like an envelope, padded sleeve type of a thing. But this month, this is the one that I have. So let's open it and I'll show you what I've got. Sometimes the box comes with a little envelope with some like kind of offers from their partners and things on there, but we haven't got that today. You just get a little slip about what's in your box. Kind of like an invoice. So I'm just going to show you the products one by one and let you know what I picked up this month. Okay, to start then I have 3 quite similar products. I'd seen on there that there are a good few Charlotte Tilbury products this month. Charlotte Tilbury is an amazing brand and not a brand that I've really tried before. So I thought that that would be fab and a good chance to pick things up from her to give a little try to, which is the beauty of this FeelUnique Pick and Mix service. Okay, so the very first item then that I picked up this month is the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes Volume 2 Instant Volume and Miracle Length Mascara. So this is a mascara sample. And in here we get a little mascara. This is probably worth a good few pounds, I would imagine. So it just says it's a miracle mascara enriched with lash lengthening and thickening ingredients for a full volume, luscious flutter. Nestle mascara brush to the root of the lashes and pull it up for dramatic volume and push-up effect. So it's saying it should give 507% more volume and 100% thicker lashes, visibly longer lashes, it's longer lasting, smudge proof and humidity resistant. So it actually sounds amazing. So this is obviously just a small sample, but you're going to get a good few uses out of this size. So does it say how much is in here? There is 1.5 mils of product. So like I said, there's a good few uses in there. It's certainly enough to try and see if the mascara is worth buying, which is perfect when it's, pricier products and things. So yay, happy with my first choice this month. Okay, and like I said, similarly, I did pick up a few Charlotte Tilbury things. So the next one is this, and it's this Matte Revolution Luminous Modern Matte Lipstick. So it opens out like a little book, and in there we get a sample of 8 different lipsticks. So that's fab. 8 different lipsticks. So we got the kissing ones, which is lipstick for cashmere soft lips, and then we get the matte lipsticks on this side. So 8 lipsticks in various shades, quite nice shades actually. They're all fairly neutral. So I look forward to trying those if you ever tried a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. So that's fab. And the next thing, and it is the last of the Charlotte Tilbury I picked up, there was foundations and different bits and bobs on there also as samples from her, but I didn't know what shade I wanted, and to be honest, I like my Revolution foundation, so I just stuck with that. But this is the one I got from Charlotte Tilbury next. I got the Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Glow Primer. So I thought that sounded really nice. I love trying different primers. Obviously I have found some that are better than others recently, but trying a new one. And these super handy little travel sizes are kind of perfect to give a little go to different things. So in here we get 7 mils. It is a decent size sample, and that does feel quite full. So I think you're going to get in there a good few uses. You can use this for at least a week, I would say, which will give you obviously an idea of what the product is like. So that's the idea behind the service. So I'm really happy with that, and I can try it on for a week and then have a different lipstick each day. Perfect. Yes, so that was the last of the Charlotte Tilbury products. There wasn't a vast amount of things that I wanted to try on there this month, so I just kind of had a little look around to see what the last few samples would be for me. So first thing then is by another great brand that I haven't really tried before. This is from Glam Glow. We get this nice cute little pot, and in here it is their Moisture Trip, which is a Omega Rich Moisturizer. And we get, does it say how many mils or whatever? Don't think it does. 5 mils. It's in very small writing. So it's this cute little pot, and it's kind of full of moisturizer. I think you get a couple of uses out of that. I'm guessing it's probably a little goes a long way. It just says to apply evenly to clean face and neck morning and or night as part of your usual skincare regimen. So that's actually super duper cute. I really like that. Glam Glow, an amazing brand I haven't really tried. So the opportunity to try one, even though it's a little tub, I'm really happy with. The last item that I picked, like I say, there wasn't a huge vast amount of products on there that I hadn't tried or weren't really small samples this month. So I decided to pick something up with mind of putting it in a giveaway. I got this Ritual of Sakura body cream, which has organic rice milk and cherry blossom in it. I've tried this before. I really like this. Rituals, I think, is an absolutely fab brand. I've had the body creams from them before, hand creams, and the shower gels and stuff. I think they are fab, and they always smell so nice. So I plan on doing some giveaways this year. I'm about 100, just over 100 subscribers away from hitting 750, which might be my next giveaway. So it would be really nice to pass this along, because it is a product I like, and I do tend to like to give products that I like away in my giveaways, because then I'm not just handing off rubbish, I am actually giving you decent products from decent brands. So in here we get 10 mils of product. It's just a nice little handy travel size, gives one of you guys the chance to try it. So that's my 5th item. Okay then, just to give a rundown of the 5 products that I picked this month, we have the Charlotte Tilbury mascara, the 8 Charlotte Tilbury lipstick shades, and the Charlotte Tilbury Wonderglow primer. Really excited to try some things from Charlotte Tilbury, so those will be fantastic. And then I picked up this cute little tub from Glam Glow, which again is a brand I've wanted to try, so I'm looking forward to trying this, and the tub is super cute. And then lastly I picked up the Rituals body cream, which is going to go in a giveaway, so one of you guys might be getting this very soon. So I'm really happy with this month's picks. I will link the FeelUnique Pick and Mix sample service page down below, so just check that out. And if you've enjoyed today's video, which I hope you have, please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you're not, please remember to subscribe, guys, because there's plenty more videos like this coming, and it'll be fab to have you here. So until my next video, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.